I'm Mayuri Namsin. I'm from Operation Control System team in Siemens we call OCS, and I'm a team leader for this team. We will model the logically of the solution to meet the requirements for customer, and we will provide display and control, and also for the configuring the railway geographical data for train management. As a team leader, I have responsible to support the team, to mentor them, support in both hard skill and soft skill for their growth. When our work is installed on the site and the train is running and people use it in daily life, that made me proud that we are the behind and also the part of the success story. I'm start working with Siemens from junior engineer, and I have no knowledge of railway signaling. Don't be afraid if you don't have the knowledge of the railway signaling. We can train you. We focus on the performance. Siemens has proved that everything is possible for every diversity.